It sure can get hot here in Alamogordo in the summer, which reminds me of some incredible NASA technology.
I got you!
The Super Soaker! It's 1982, and NASA engineer Lonnie Johnson is tinkering in his basement. He's working on a new type of heat pump. Little did he know, his after-hours experiment would lead to the ultimate summer weapon. Johnson is a brilliant inventor in general. He has over 100 patents, and he was no stranger to top-secret projects. By day, he was working on the classified stealth bomber program, so hush-hush, he couldn't even tell his wife. So by night, he was about to make summer history. While testing some custom-machined nozzles for his heat pump, Johnson accidentally shot a powerful stream of water across the bathroom. In a moment, a light bulb went off, or you could say a water balloon burst. He thought, maybe I should put this hard science aside for a minute and work on something fun, like a water gun. Fast forward to 1989, Johnson, fresh off his work on NASA's Galileo mission to Jupiter, licensed his water gun invention to a major toy company. The product hit the shelves in 1990 under the name Power Drencher. But like a rocket that didn't quite achieve liftoff, it didn't make a big splash. In 1991, the toy got a super rebrand. Enter the Super Soaker. And just like that, whoosh, sales skyrocketed. Within a few years, the Super Soaker generated over $200 million in retail sales and became one of the #1 selling toys in the United States. The Super Soaker's success launched Johnson into a new orbit. He used the profits to fuel his own companies and continue his scientific pursuits. Today, he's working on something that could be even more groundbreaking. He is currently working on advanced battery technology that could store 3 times the energy of a lithium-ion battery. So, next time you're engaged in an epic battle, remember, you're wielding a piece of NASA-adjacent technology. The Super Soaker isn't just a toy. It's a testament to how a simple idea, combined with a little engineering know-how, can make a splash in unexpected ways. From space missions to summer fun, the Super Soaker story shows that sometimes the coolest inventions happen when you're just going with the flow. Keep curious, keep inventing, and don't forget to stay hydrated.
Hydrate this, McKay.